Hey, I wanted to make a quick video on restoring your wooden cabinets. Now, here's one I haven't done yet. You can see my camera eye picks up stuff you can't see, and the lights looks a little different. I must have cleaned here at one time because it's, well, maybe that's just a wood grain, I don't know. But go down the line, they all used to have dark spots on that. As you notice, I don't have any knobs to open the door, so I recommend if you have cabinets, put knobs on them, else you get dirty stuff like that. And so I've tried different things on the different cabinets to clean them, and I finally found something that works good, and I want to share it with you. So, and what I'm using, there might be better stuff, but this seems to work. Also, the reason why it took the last thing I tried a little bit, not the last thing, but anyways, I believe that came because I used a degreaser, and wood's naturally got some oil. So anyways, what I use now is this denatured alcohol, and I recommend you wear gloves so you don't absorb that stuff in your skin. And all I'm doing now is opening the can because they put those really hard lids on there, and I just take I like just regular terry, I guess that's terry cloth towels. Pour a little bit of this on here, and then you can just wipe that there. And it takes a little bit of effort. It's not like going to take it off super easy, but it does work. And you can see it's coming off on the towel there. It's important that you keep rotating your towel to a clean spot. And if you can let it sit a little bit, it seems to help a lot. So all I'm going to do, and that's another clean spot on the towel, is just keep doing that. And the alcohol seems to evaporate off, and I'll clean all this up and I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Okay, I'm pretty much done. One thing you'll notice is as you're cleaning it, you'll put the alcohol on your rag, and you can feel, you need it really saturated, and you feel the alcohol underneath the rag. But you'll feel where it's still gummy, it'll catch. So you just want to keep doing it until it's super smooth and you can't feel any drag anymore. So you know you're done. It's kind of weird. I think whatever the oil is kind of staining the wood there a little bit, but that's clean. And it looks okay on camera. Let's see. So at this point, after you got it all clean, I'm thinking you want to go back over it with something like some Murphy's, what's that stuff called? There's a Murphy's wood oil soap stuff that they come out with. Some kind of oil that's meant for wood. I'd recommend going over because the alcohol probably pulls out a little bit of that oil from the wood, but it evaporates very fast, and I think that's why it doesn't damage the finish that much. Anyways, I thought that would help somebody out there, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Took about 10 minutes of scrubbing there, but that was really thick. And maybe I'll make another video when I go over it with some nice wood oil, see how it turns out. Anyways, I hope this helps somebody out, and thank you for watching.